Hey everyone, wanted to make a quick video just to introduce the coronavirus performance task that will be coming up, okay? So the Unit 7 coronavirus performance task, we're actually going to do this instead of actually taking a test, okay? So this is just the introductory video that's going to go out with the form for this week, and we're going to send this out on April 14th. But the official project will actually be rolled out on April 22nd, okay? And it will be due in the following time, okay? So this is all in the calendar. But this video is just an introductory video into the performance task, okay? So you're going to receive this tomorrow, okay? And it says for the upcoming unit assessment, you will be working in groups. And this is for the Unit 7 group assessment, which may be across different pre-AP Algebra 2 teachers, okay? The groups will be a maximum of 4 people. However, you may choose to work alone, though it's not recommended, and you'll see why here in just a bit. So pick one person and only one from your group as the team leader that will submit everything for the assessment, including this preliminary form that you are going to get attached tomorrow, okay? So on the only the team leader will submit this, even if they have a different teacher. So whoever your team leader is, they're going to be the ones that submit this form, okay? And when you open up this form, it's going to walk you through a bunch of questions and whatnot that, again, and it's dealing with a performance task, but we want just the team leader to actually submit this form, okay? So just a quick overview. You're going to receive this again, it will roll out on the 22nd, again, April 22nd, and you're going to actually see this all in great detail. This video is just like an introductory to it, just so that you can see what's coming, okay? So just a quick points that I'm going to cover. As you have obviously noticed, the world has been affected by COVID-19 in a drastic way, okay? And we are currently living during a worldwide historical event. The infection rate is alarming and has caused the CDC and now governments to recommend and require people to practice social distancing. So what we're doing is, again, with groups of up to 4, the group can be anyone who is in your pre-AP class or in a pre-AP Algebra 2 class at Prosper High School. And we're going to assign one person in your group to be the team leader, okay? And you'll fill out this form, this preliminary form that is going out this week, okay? So, and there's details more that are going to be coming out, but it's basically looking at data from several countries across the globe, and you're trying to model regressions, okay? So that's exactly what you're going to be doing with all that data is you're going to be modeling regression models and seeing exponential and logarithmic growth, what's happening, and what are the predictions that we can make from this, okay? So there are some specific ones, like number 8 says you will then use data for China and South Korea and so on and so forth. But nonetheless, your goal is to use the skills that you learn during this unit with exponential and logarithmic growth. And a big part of this is number 13. Give final thoughts and conclusions by answering all of the following questions. So yes, there are other questions, 1 through 12, and other information that you're going to do, but these are the big conceptual kind of responses that we're really looking for. So how can we trust the data given to us? How do we know which model is most appropriate given a circumstance? For how long can you really trust a regression model? And are these numbers realistic? And then lastly, what are your final thoughts overall? Make the presentation nice and presentable. So again, there's rubrics coming out and more information. And yes, you will have all of this. But for this week, we just wanted to get this out to you as far as an introductory video, again, of what's coming, that we're not going to have a Unit 7 test, but instead we're going to use this performance task in that placement of it, okay? So all you really need to do, and like there's data, like these 2 links right here, data is going to be coming at you as well, as far as different data that you're going to use that you're able to access online that will help you with these regression and these logarithmic models. Again, this video is only introductory, okay? It's not full details, and it's only just to let you know so that you can devise your teams and assign your group team leader and so on and so forth this week, okay? So this form is going to go out with this video on April 14th, and then the official more details, more information will come out as far as the attachments and all these things that I have opened up. They'll be sent out on April 22nd.